tubercle is a prominence on the posterior outer surface of the rib at the junction of the neck with the body, and it has facet for articulation with the transverse process of thoracic vertebrae. If I can draw a diagram, like if this is vertebra and this is transverse process. Now we can see that this is tubercle, and in purple color this is transverse process. So the tubercle of the ribs articulate with the transverse process of thoracic vertebra. Now the next is body. Body is a long, twisted, flat part which extends posteriorly from tubercle to sternal end, anterior end. The next is costal groove. At inferior border of ribs contain a depression called costal groove, which contain or hold intercostal vessels and nerve. The next is anterior end or sternal end. Ribs contain depression for at anterior end. Rib contain depression for costal cartilage, which connected to sternum through this costal cartilage. Now we can see in the diagram that this is sternum, this is the anterior end of the rib. Through costal cartilage, the rib connected to the sternum. Now we come to the atypical ribs. First two and lower are last three pair of ribs are atypical, like first rib, second rib, 10th rib, 11th rib and 12th rib. These are atypical rib, but only we will discuss first ribs.